Hey, what's happening, everybody? Let's talk about the new Puffin update here. Puffin TV. As you can, if you've done the update, then you know that anything, anything you try to download from it. Oops. Dang it. Sorry, just got home trying to do this on break time to get everybody going. Type in whatever URL, click on it, and then you're going to get a download is not supported on this device message. So something's up with the newest update, Puffin TV update. We can try to go to Google. We'll type file linked, and we'll hit go. Pick this first one, and we'll go download file linked, and device download is not supported. So whatever the update did, it messed up something. So what we're gonna do, go to Play Store, and first thing we're gonna do, auto updates in the settings. Don't auto update. So make sure that's clicked on. Then we can go my apps, Puffin installed. Let's go ahead and uninstall that. Hit OK. Alright, now we're going to go to Filelinked here. And my code is 640-66022. Hit continue. And this is the reason why I keep these outdated browsers in here, because they update and it ruins them on stuff. A lot of this stuff, I don't keep it constantly updated. I got Google Chrome in there. That's an older version that I know works on my Shield. This Firefox is an older version. And this Puffin TV, this version right here, it works. So go ahead and hit that download arrow. We're going to install it. We're going to hit done, hit your home page, and I think this one's, yep. Alright, now we can go here, and we'll go http://get.filelinked.com, enter, boom, allow. And once you see that start downloading, hit your back button. Oops. And then your downloads column's right there. You'll have to turn on allow unknown sources and settings. Back. File linked. Install. And boom. So now you have a working Puffin again. Okay, just grab it out of my file linked. Make sure you go in the Play Store, go into your settings, and shut off auto updates. Now for, if you have your auto updates shut off, then you'll have to come here and just do manual updates, But just leave this one alone until they fix it. I don't know what they did or where their plan is going, but right now you can't download you can't install anything. Alright, and I also have another deal for the downloader plugin that you get from the Play Store. So because you can't even install anything from that, it doesn't have a JavaScript option for Android TV in the downloader that comes from the Play Store. So for newbies, and I enjoy Puffin browser on the Shield on the Android TV myself. But like I said, there's also Chrome and Firefox in my file link if you want to grab those. But just remember, when you shut off the auto updates, you'll have to come back in here, go to My Apps, and then see what updates are available. But until they fix that Puffin TV, I would just keep the one that I have in my file linked. And if it updates on accident, just uninstall it and go back to my file linked, and you're good to go. Alright guys, that's it. I'll do another video later on Downloader. I just want to get this out there real quick for you guys that are having issues. Alright, love you guys. Peace out. Happy streaming.